You know that feeling when you're in an elevator and it starts going up? For a split second, you feel heavier, like something is pressing you down. And when the elevator stops at the top, you feel a little lighter for just a moment. What you're experiencing isn't a change in your actual weight. It's a change in what physicists call apparent weight. Your real weight, the pull of gravity on your body, stays the same. But when the elevator accelerates upward, the floor pushes harder against your feet, and your body registers that as feeling heavier. When it decelerates, the opposite happens. This concept is actually the basis for understanding something much bigger: weightlessness in space. Astronauts on the International Space Station aren't outside of Earth's gravity. They're actually falling, constantly, in orbit around the Earth. But because the station is falling at the same rate, everything inside appears to float. It's not that gravity disappears. It's that there's no surface pushing back against them. So that brief elevator sensation? It's a tiny taste of the same physics that governs life in orbit.